Some remnants from the railroad. Here's a railroad spike. Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. Today I'm out here enjoying this beautiful area called Withlacoochee State Forest. Lots of places to roam, and I'm getting ready to take a journey into the woods, take a journey back into the past. I've been following this forest road here behind me for a ways, and at one time this forest road was actually part of an old railroad line, so very interesting to follow those, see where that leads. So let's take a hike into the woods and see what we can discover. Seeing some traces from the past out here. You can see some of these pillars here in the woods, and there would have been a foundation attached to these, some sort of structure. Exploring back here in the woods, following this path along an old mine here. You can see it down through those trees. It's very overgrown. I really enjoy exploring around these old mining pits. And you can see part of it down there. It's filled in with water. You can see a lot of these dig marks here from when they were digging up the mine. Got to be careful walking around these areas. There's a lot of leaves on the ground. It could be slippery. And there's several mining pits around here. Just came from up there. Making my way down towards the bottom of this area. You gotta be really careful exploring around these sections. There's a lot of snakes and Also, alligators really enjoy these sorts of habitats. So here I am at the bottom of one of these mining pits. Nature is reclaiming it. It's really lush and green. Just keeps going down that way. I'm gonna climb up out of this pit, search around some of the other mines out here. Exploring deeper in the woods out here, seeing some more foundations. It's part of another one here. So now I'm hiking along some of the mining areas, and there's some nice trails. These were some of the roads that were used during the mining operations. And this goes down into another mining pit here. Let's go off the path here and into the woods along this mine, see what we can discover. A lot of spiders out here. It's one of the main things that I deal with is spider webs. Going through these overgrown areas, going off trail, you definitely encounter a lot of spider webs. I usually just do my best to avoid them. I think I see something just over there. All right, I see some foundations just over there. So here is a foundation. Remnants from the mining industry out here. And it sits right here at the edge of the mine. hiking down to the edge of this pit. And just to give you some perspective, right up there is the foundation. After hiking those trails for a while, I came out into this clearing, and right here you can get some really nice views of the mine. Today it's a large pond, you can see it there. So they were digging all the way down in here. More dig marks.